Violence has rocked North London as riots have broke out in major areas. The areas in London that have reported rioting are Tottenham, Wood Green, Chingford and Enfield. Everyone is advised to stay away from these areas and any major areas in North London as these riots are expected to spread. There has also been some unconfirmed reports of rioting in Cardiff, but this has not been confirmed. Riot police have been sent to the rioting locations all across North London and are attempting to stop the riots. Now the next story here on BBC One is 2 American journalists are found guilty of illegally entering North Korea.
Well, I'm extremely sorry for all the technical difficulties we have had tonight. This is because riots have happened in Westminster, London. The Channel 4 television centre is based in Westminster, and many rioters have attempted to break into our television centre. Police are doing everything they can to stop the rioters from breaking in. Our schedule will be changed due to this. Next here on Channel 4, it is Friends.